What's going on, guys? CDLXBeast here, and welcome back to another awesome video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the CAD, the thing that I was using on my cops video. Let me get to a part I was using it. This, right here. I'm going to show you how to be getting this. Alright, so this guy, Beta141, he asked the link for the license check program, and I was going to put it in, but I forgot. But if you look in the description now, it is here. So yeah, okay, thanks. So what you want to do is go down in the description of this video. You want to click the link. It's gonna bring up LSPDFR, or what used to be LCPDFR. It's gonna bring you to a GTA computer-aided dispatching software, GTA CAD, version 1.1.0. So what you want to do from here, oh, and there's also a online version, which is, I thought he did that, but I guess not. Alright, so you're gonna do this little France 700222. Boom. I think this is the online one. Or no, that's somebody else did that. But the downloads is gonna say GTA CAD offline v 1.1.rar or zip or something like that. So you're gonna open it. You're gonna open this, and well, you can extract this to. We're going to extract it to the desktop. I'm guessing it's extracted. Yes. So yeah, got it on your desktop. And then you go to click GTA-CAD offline. It's going to come up with that, and bam, you've got this. License check is here. Search that up. Search up whatever name you want. License plate. Let's go 2 for Oscar. God dang it. Alright, so the name that we weirdly looked up, come back uninsured, has no insurance. And then we get back to this, 2 for Oscar, King, Adam, 2. You can search up the VIN, but I'm not really sure. You don't get VINs in GTA. But it is gonna come up with a different name than we put in there. Than we put in this, because it doesn't work that way. But it looks like the vehicle that blah 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 blah, blah I was driving is uninsured and it's uninspected. So, and then you could just clear this out, and when you're ready, do. There are settings like you can link different maps. See, you got custom maps here, like that one. They only have GTA 4 right now, but coming soon will be GTA 5 maps and stuff. Also with the settings, you can do the call center timer, which is this right here. This is the call center right here actually. And then here you can select what you want dispatched, and islands, which that doesn't matter on GTA 5 if you're using it for GTA 5. And then you can force random calls, EMS, cardiac arrest, force police calls. There's many, or actually there's not that many actually. If you want to make more calls, all you have to do is go to the files, go to police, and then right here you can add more calls. And then you can add more calls for EMS and more calls for fire, and then it lets you do stuff for the okay. That's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, go ahead and slap that like button. And thanks for watching. Peace.